Hi everyone, I'm Julie Schiffman, and today we are tapping into change. Change is the essence of life, but it is not always comfortable or easy. If you're having a hard time making a change in your life or with changes that are happening that feel like they're beyond your control, then tap with me. As always, please remember to take responsibility for your own emotional and physical well-being. And we're going to start tapping here. So tapping on the side of the hand, it doesn't matter which hand you're tapping on, just tap along with me, even though changes are happening, and it's causing me to feel scared or fearful, maybe apprehensive or doubtful. I deeply and completely love and accept myself anyway, even though I don't really like change. Maybe I never have. Change means things will be different. And I really like what I'm used to. It makes life so much easier when I know what to expect. I accept myself now and how I feel about this. Even though it can be really hard to accept where I am right now. Because making change, or many changes, makes me really uncomfortable. And I feel out of my comfort zone. I accept myself and all of my emotions, which are stirred up right now. And we're going to tap through the points. So I'm going to have you follow along with me, and we're going to start tapping on the top of the head. I don't like change. I'm really going through something here. I don't like the way it feels. I'm really out of my comfort zone. I like the familiar. I like knowing what to expect. I don't like change. I'm feeling all stirred up inside. I'm trying to get used to some changes, but it's not easy. When I'm used to doing things a certain way, this just feels different. Maybe it feels off. Not right. Maybe it feels awkward. Or I just don't know what to do. It feels unfamiliar and unknown. And I really don't like the unknown. I like the status quo. Same old, same old. I have enough stress in my life. And change really messes me up. It feels challenging. And I'm feeling emotional or anxious. Maybe it brings up loss, confusion, sadness as I let go of the old, scared feelings, overwhelm, and more overwhelm. All this fear. I feel really stirred up with these changes. I actually fear change. And I'll often do anything to keep things the same. Change creates so much resistance for me. I feel the resistance. But when I resist, things never change. And I don't like the way that feels either. The same is boring or redundant. Change is a normal part of life. Change is the essence of life. Without change, there's no shift, no growth, no lessons learned. It gets stale after a while. I am open to embracing change. I'm open to it. I wonder what it would feel like to just roll with it, to allow myself to create flow, to move with the flow, be in the flow. When things change, it is different. But maybe I can be safe as things change for me right now. As I tap on all my feelings, I am changing before my very eyes. As I become more comfortable with feeling uncomfortable, I'm changing the way that I feel right now. And this change can be safe. I wonder if it's possible to feel okay when things are changing. It might not be jump up and down fun, but if I can roll with the changes instead of resist it, I will feel better. I might just find that life in general starts to flow better. I choose to be in the flow. I choose to be okay. When things are changing, when I'm changing, I'm okay. I am safe. I can make better decisions. And I can feel better about what's happening around me. I'm open to change. In fact, I might even choose change. Because change opens new doors for me, for new and exciting things. I'm having faith and trust that change can be okay. It might even be the answer for a better life. I'm open to all the possibilities of what it can mean for me. Tap your wrists together and say peace. Good work. Take a big deep breath in and release it. That was a long tapping round, but so needed, especially if you are in the midst of change. See how you feel after tapping. Tap on any of emotions that might have surfaced for you, if they surfaced for you. Hang in there with change. Change can really be for the better if you allow it. And remember to go with the flow. You may grow in a way that you never even knew was possible. Let me know how this helped you in the comments below. And be sure to keep tapping on it if you need to. As always, keep tapping.